Ladies and gentlemen, and students who opened YouTube instead of studying, welcome to my present perfect continuous show. Has, have, been, ing. चलो शुरू करें वरना टेंस हो जाओगे. Okay, picture this. Alex बाहर गया. आसमान पूरा साफ था, but the ground is wet. Not a cute wet. Oh my God, socks are dead wet. एलेक्स चारों तरफ देखता है डिटेक्टिव की तरह. आहा! It has been raining. By CSI English Grammar Edition. Alex knew exactly what happened. He think to himself, the answer was in the past. So basically, जब एक्शन पास्ट में शुरू हुआ और उसका असर अभी तक हमारी जिंदगी का बैंड बजा रहा हो, तो हम यूज करते हैं has, have प्लस बिन प्लस इंग. मुझे भी इंग सुन के भूख लग जाती है. डोंट आस्क मी व्हाई. 3 reasons, बस 3. मेरा नाम मैथ टीचर नहीं है. सो फर्स्ट, एक्शन थोड़ी देर पहले रुका है, एक्शन अभी भी चल रहा है, या फिर एक्शन रिपीट हो रहा है, जैसे मेरा मंडे का क्राइम रूटीन. रूल नंबर 1. If the result is still slapping you in the face, present perfect continuous. I mean, look at Emma. She's panting like she ran from a dinosaur. Emma, you have been running. Of course she has. Alex का क्लोथ देखो. ऐसा लग रहा है वो किसी से झगड़ा करके आया है. You know? What have you been doing, Alex? I mean, इस एग्जाम्पल में एलेक्स का चेहरा देखो. He looks exhausted. He has been working all day. And my favorite, where have you been? I have been looking for you like a lost puppy. So if you can see the result right now, broken things, dirty clothes, tired faces, chapped lips, boom, present perfect continuous. एकदम डिटेक्टिव ग्रामर. रूल नंबर 2, द ड्यूरेशन वाला टेंस. हाउ लॉन्ग, कितने टाइम से, सिंस व्हेन इज लाइफ टॉर्चरिंग यू, यूज दिस रूल. हाउ लॉन्ग इट हैज बीन रेनिंग, 2 hours. बस वर्षा सीजन का फुल वाइब. Tim is still watching TV. He has been watching all day. Respect his dedication. How long have you been learning English? Feel like 84 years, ma'am. And the classic. I have been looking for you for 30 minutes. It means I am angry but trying to sound polite. So if the action is started in the past and is still hunting us in the present perfect continuous. Rule number 3, the same thing again and again rule, like your alarm clock or your best friend calling you for no reason. Emma is a legendary artist. Why? She has been drawing since she was 10. मुझसे तो अभी भी ऐसा सीधा नहीं बनता यार. Emma and Alex go to the same cafe every morning. They have been going there for years. अब तो कैफे वालों को भी पता चल गया है कि वो क्या ऑर्डर करने वाले हैं. Alex has been practicing guitar every evening. गिटार की आत्मा चूस लो, but practice continue रहनी चाहिए. Repeated till now, still happening, present perfect continuous. Simple, like Maggie, but grammar version. Here is the detective's toolkit for you, my friend. 3 ways to use this tense to find it in any sentence. Present continuous is simple, happening right now, like I am working, I am crying, I am waiting for food. Easy. But present perfect continuous is that deep emotional cousin. Well, you have to take extra care of that. I have been working hard, meaning I need a chai, please. It has been raining. Cancel all the plan for God's sake. We have been waiting for an hour. We are losing our patience. These are the red flags for these tenses. Recently, lately, 4 hours, since morning, for years. If you hear this word, run straight to the present perfect continuous. Here's your cheat sheet. Look at it, memorize it, frame it, gift it to your crush. Grammar impresses people, sometimes, all the times. कुछ बारिश, कुछ मेहनत, कुछ इंतज़ार सिर्फ गुजरते नहीं हैं, आपकी कहानी लिख जाते हैं। उन लम्हों को हम नाम देते हैं प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस। बस दोस्तों, आज के लिए इतना ही। कल फिर ग्रामर की दुनिया में मिलते हैं एमा और एलेक्स के साथ। टिल देन कीप स्माइलिंग, कीप लर्निंग और टेंस मत हो जाना।